way near to an Irish home, and mingles with Trabega Bay, close by the Atlantic foam. 'Twas in a spot close by a lot, where the river gently flows, that I bid farewell to my own dear girl and my lovely Irish rose. Oh, Donegal, the pride of all, I never shall forget. In Carron fair beyond compare, I think I see it yet. I sailed away from Derry Quay just at the evening's close, and I waved my hand to my own dear land and my lovely Irish rose. Oh, Molly dear, I'm lonely here without you all the while. I miss your loving words of cheer, and I miss your Irish smile. Before I go to sleep at night, before my eyes I close, I pray that God may guide you right, my lovely Irish rose.